Welcome to our course on social media marketing. This is Chapter 2, Part B. So, let's begin. A crucial first step in developing an efficient social media marketing plan is determining your target market. Here are some pointers for determining your target market. 1. Demographics. Take into account variables like age, gender, location, income, and level of education. 2. Interests. Consider how your items or services are compatible with the interests and pastimes of your target market. 3. Behaviors. Take into account the habits and spending patterns of your target market, such as how they use social media or their propensity for online buying. 4. Take into account your target audience's values, views, and lifestyle. 5. Personas. Develop fictional representations of your ideal client called buyer personas. You may use these personas to better understand your target market and develop marketing efforts that are more successful. 6. Research. To obtain information about your target audience, use various research techniques like surveys, focus groups, or analytics tools. 7. Testing. By developing and evaluating short campaigns, you can test your target audience assumptions. You can design more focused and successful social media marketing campaigns that speak directly to the needs and interests of your ideal clients by determining your target demographic. Additionally, you may choose the best channels and approaches to reach your target audience by learning who they are.